lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So in today's video we are going to be doing a few subscriber suggestions and requests. So firstly, Shelly-Ann Reed asked if we could do a video on ombreing vertically and horizontally with jewel forms, so we are going to give that a go today. I've never actually done an ombre vertically, so this was kind of like a test for me. And then Cavian asked us to do a another video with the Makartt blue kit again. Unfortunately, I can't find the comment, and it's just like in a mass amount of comments, so I'm sorry that I couldn't feature your comment, but thank you girls for the suggestions. You were brilliant, and that's what we're going to do today. So I have done a review on the blue Makartt kit, which I will link in the cards because I go in more in depth in the actual kit itself. So today we are going to be doing the nails on my practice hand. So you're just applying some base coat to make sure that the base coat, no, polygel adheres to the nail. If these are on your real hand, you would like do all your nail prep as well. Ignore the butterflies, we don't end up using them. I was concentrating too much on the ombre that I forgot about the butterflies, but the butterflies would have made this set turn out really, really cute. But what was I saying? I can't even remember. Oh yeah, so I will link a video in the cards about like how you would prep your natural nail, but because we're doing it on my fake hand today, I obviously skipped the prep step, so yeah. So anyway, going in first now, we are doing the index finger. Of course, I only do 4 fingers today because this is just like an experiment, I guess. But killing 2 birds with 1 stone by using the blue kit for Cavian as well. So, like I said, I've never really done a vertical ombre with jewel forms, and I was thinking, this is going to be quite hard. So I thought, right, the best thing to probably try is with like a horizontal ombre, you would do the tip first, cure it, and then you do the nail bed and stick it onto the finger, then cure it. So I thought, well, maybe we can just do like half the ombre, stick it on the nail, cure it, and then do the other half of ombre. It did work, but of course you have to be careful how much polygel you're using, because obviously it squishes when you apply it to the nail. So I did have to file a lot of the design down to try and get that perfect ombre down the middle, not down the side. It did work, but I think like it just takes some trial and error and take your time and stuff like that. But as you'll see now, when I push it down, can you see the polygel moves? But this doesn't matter. This bit don't matter because we're going to overlay the next lot with more polygel. So as you see, I cured it and now I'm popping the jewel form off. And then I go in them with my second colour. Make sure you put it on the right side. I was like measuring it and turning it over. See, I'm like, right, okay, it needs to go on this side. So I was like eyeing it because I thought, I know in my luck I'll just put 2 layers of the same on the same side and that won't go down well. So now we're just doing exactly the same thing but on the other side of the jewel form, and what I do is I just pat it all into place and then I feather it. The way I like sort of like ombre with polygel, you spread it out and then you like bring it back on itself and then you just feather it lightly. You only have to do very lightly, but of course again, because you apply pressure when you put the jewel form on, it of course moves, it oozes because it's underneath. Does that make sense? Like on top, which I have another video where I do an vertical ombre without jewel forms. It's so much easier, which I will link in the cards. But now you'll see I just feather it out then. Can you see here? But because you apply pressure, it squidges. So you will have to do a bit of filing work. But of course, when you're filing, just be very gentle and very easy. You don't have to go overboard. I only showed you filing 2 nails because otherwise it was going to be a lot of filing, and because obviously I wanted to show you how to file so you could get that perfect like ombre. It's not perfect, but like with a bit of work it would have been immaculate, but I was actually sick of filing by this point. So I do the vertical ombre on the index finger and the pinky, and then I do the horizontal ombre on the middle finger and the ring finger. So now we're going in on the middle finger and we're doing the vertical ombre. So basically I put the polygel into the tip here and pat it down and feather it down, and then I don't put this on the finger and I cure it in the nail lamp. Then once it's cured, I go in then with the second colour and I just push it up. You don't have to worry about feathering it, the nail bed area, because of course the actual first layer is already done for you, so you're just applying the polygel to stick it onto the nail and then you cure. I hope that makes sense. But I'm going to put some music on here in a second, and once I finish talking, I guess, because I say this all the time and then I talk. See, I'm doing it now. I say I'm going to put music on and then I talk for another like 3 minutes. But these, it is easy. I think it's just, like I said, trial and error, and you just got to keep practicing to get it perfect. So I'm going to try this again and hopefully do it a little bit better with a nice, like, styling design, you know, like a, ooh, look at that, not a, okay, it's an experiment, they look cute, they're not amazing, they look cute. And I only done short nails because I think, Kavian, you actually asked for a pair of short nails. These aren't short, they're more medium, but I still think they look pretty short. They're short for me, let's be honest, because I have claws. But anyway, yeah, I am going to let you guys watch the rest now whilst I put on some music, and I'll be back in time for top coating, I guess, because like I've already spoke about the filing and you'll see anyway, it's all in there. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back in a bit. I'm back, guys. So I thought I'd just quickly jump in here. So once I had finished filing and obviously I took the nail out, I thought I'd just pop in by ear and just say, because once we've done the filing, I wipe away all the dust and then we top coat and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope that this helps anyone that was wondering, and I hope this helps Shelley for, you know, your curious purpose and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. If you like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, because I always love to talk to you guys and I always love your feedback, and you're absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for all the support and love. Like I said, you guys are absolutely amazing. But I hope everyone is staying safe. Keep on smiling, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!